This is a video for a really simple beginner's flower. So we make our slip knot. So 2 circles, pop the right hand one under the left hand and catch hold like that. And then you should have got enough give on your hook. So we're going to make 6 chains. And then we're going to join those chains to form a circle. So you go into that first chain that you made and just pull straight through and then straight through that one. And that's a slip stitch, so you've got a circle. So to form our first petal, we make 1, 2, 3 chains, and then you can work around the tail yarn. In you go for a treble and through those 2, and then another treble, and then just to get down the other side of the petal we go 3 chain, and then into the center with a slip stitch. Okay, 1 petal made. So repeat that again, 3 chain up, 1 treble, which is yarn round into the circle, catch hold, pull through 2, catch hold, pull through 2, and 1 more treble. And this makes such an effective little decoration, embellishment. You can sew them onto any little project. You can use these as buttonhole covers as well. They look fabulous. So let's do another petal. 1, 2, 3 up, and then treble, and another treble. And then we go 3 down and into the middle. So your flower now should be starting to take place. So I shall just do another couple with you, and then that's our flower made. So 3 chains up and treble, and a treble, and 3 chains down. If you love making little cutesy things like I do, please subscribe as I build the channel. That would mean the world to me. And thank you for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. So this is going to be my last one. If you want more petals, you can make your inner circle, maybe 7 or 8 chains would fit on 6 petals. And then, so we're going to finish off. I'll just show you how to finish. Go into the circle and then just join that first petal there in that gap of the first chain and join with a slip stitch, and then you can fasten that off and you have a cute little flower. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.